Welcome to this Proteus version 8 demo movie. In this movie we're going to be showing you the new Bill of Materials application with inside Proteus version 8. We'll start by loading one of the sample designs. In this case it's the Explorer 16 evaluation board. To start the Bill of Materials application, we'll go ahead and click the icon on the top toolbar. This will now open a new window for us called Bill of Materials. We still have our original schematic window available, as well as our Bill of Materials now. Because the Bill of Materials is linked to the schematic via the live net listing, any changes we make in the schematic will instantly be displayed in the Bill of Materials. It should be noted that we have several options available with regards to how we display these windows. In this case, we have a schematic and a Bill of Materials. We could also have a PCB layout. We could have them all on one screen, side by side, or we could have them as they are here individually. We also have the option to have multiple screens connected, and we could have the Bill of Materials and the schematic on completely separate screens attached to the PC. In this case, we're going to leave them individually in order to make it easier to view in this demo movie. Our Bill of Materials screen includes 5 major sections. On the right-hand side, we have our actual Bill of Materials, which includes a header at the top and a list of the components that was used in the schematic. The header at the top includes information that was gathered from the header of the schematic itself. This includes such details as the title, the author, and the date created. Below that, we have a list of the actual components that was used in the schematic. We can scroll down through the list and see the components that were used in our design. On the left-hand side of our screen, we have our area for defining our BOM templates. Below that, an area where we can define the fields that will be included within our Bill of Materials. We have an area that allows us to generate our output in either HTML format, PDF, Excel, or CSV. We also have an area that allows us to define our BOM notes. This is additional information that will be included within our Bill of Materials. We can customize the layout of our Bill of Materials by adjusting the categories in the Categories section at the top of the screen. For example, if we decided we wanted to have the capacitors listed after the resistors, we would simply highlight the capacitors and then move them down in the priority list. As you can see, as we change them in the priority list, they dynamically change in our Bill of Materials list. As we said earlier, the schematic and the Bill of Materials are connected via the live net listing feature in Proteus version 8. For example, if we go back to the schematic and delete capacitor C1, now when we go back to our Bill of Materials, you can see that the capacitor has been deleted from the Bill of Materials. We can add additional fields to our Bill of Materials using the Fields command. At the present time, we have stock code and unit cost added. However, additional fields such as supplier and bin location could be added using the Fields command. The Bill of Materials application within Proteus version 8 includes advanced features that allows you to generate Bill of Materials customized to your particular work environment.